Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the GADFISH Telescoping Gen 3 Starlink Wall Mount. A mounting solution designed specifically for the Starlink standard dish, formerly known as Gen 3. If you're a Starlink user looking to secure your satellite internet setup with precision and flexibility, this mount promises to deliver just that. Out of the box, the package includes a pipe adapter, a telescoping pole, and essential mounting accessories such as screws, providing everything you need for a stable and reliable installation. The pipe adapter has been tested for compatibility and precision, ensuring that your Starlink dish sits securely while maximizing signal reception. One of the standout features of this mount is its dual-angle adjustability. The pole connecting the Gen 3 pipe adapter can rotate, allowing you to fine-tune the orientation of the Starlink standard dish. The telescoping design adds another layer of flexibility, letting you extend the support arms both vertically and horizontally. This makes it easier to position the dish perfectly for an unobstructed view of the sky. The mount also addresses the common challenge of cable management. It comes with multiple cable access points, including a hidden cable hole, so you can neatly route your cables during wall installation, keeping everything out of sight. Installing this mount is straightforward. Simply drill holes to secure the bracket, remove the existing kickstand from the Starlink dish, and attach the included pipe adapter. Versatility is another strength of this product. It offers multiple mounting options, including wall and roof installations, which makes it adaptable to a wide range of locations and home setups. Made from a combination of alloy steel and aluminum with a sleek black finish, the mount is built to withstand outdoor conditions while remaining lightweight at just over 7 pounds. In terms of dimensions, the compact design measures 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches, but don't let the size fool you. It's designed to provide solid support for the Starlink standard dish without being visually intrusive. Whether you're mounting on a residential wall or roof, this mount provides a secure and durable solution. Overall, the GADFISH Telescoping Gen 3 Starlink Wall Mount combines adjustability, ease of installation, and durability. If you're seeking a reliable way to optimize your Starlink setup, this wall mount offers a balance of functionality and sturdiness, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their satellite internet experience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product insights.